Hello everyone, welcome back once again to CareerQ, a place to curate your career. So from the thumbnail, you would have known what today's video is about. It is about another module of SAP. As you all know that I have created an SAP playlist and there are several videos out there on SAP tool, different modules of SAP tool in which I tell you which module is, suited for you as a fresher. If you can get into the module, what is the scope of that module, what is the average salary that people who are working within India are getting if they are working on that tool, and everything around that module is being, is what I talk about in those videos. So in today's video, I am picking up another SAP module, which is the SAP PP. Some of you had asked me to make a video on SAP PP, which is why I'm making it. And of course, it is one of the most essential modules of SAP. However, it is not a technical module, it is a functional module. And before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe. And with that being said, let's get started with the video. So what is SAP PP? SAP PP is nothing but SAP production planning. It majorly deals with the efficiency of production and maintaining or controlling certain things. So all of this is covered under this production planning module of SAP. It is a part of the SAP ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning software, and with this production planning, organizations are able to better plan out their entire production and their controlling of whatever production they are taking in and all of those things. So the next question is that who can work in this SAP PP module or SAP PP tool? Then anybody who has worked as an SAP consultant, they can of course think of going into SAP PP. Apart from that, if you are an industrial manager, if you have knowledge on supply chain, if you are an operations manager, if you're somebody who has worked in these kind of domains, then you can definitely think of going into the SAP PP job. So anybody who knows about management of goods, who knows about production of goods in a company, then all of those kind of people, you are definitely the better suited or the well suited people for SAP PP module. Others who can go into this module are the logistics manager, the project managers, the business analysts, and the ERP specialists who know about these things. So all of you guys are more than welcome, and you are the people whom industries are looking out for this particular module, that is SAP PP. Now, is there a scope of such people in the market? Then yes, all of you guys who know SAP PP tool, there is a lot of scope in the market of definitely from the work and the type of job roles. You have by now gotten to know that software is not the sector, probably not the best sector for you. You guys are majorly required in the automotive industries, in the pharmaceutical industries, or manufacturing industries, consumer goods, and all of those places. The industrial segment is a place where SAP PP is used. There is a lot of scope and there is a lot of requirement as well for people, especially who are specialists in this module. So if you are somebody who has this these experience of, you are already an operations engineer, or you are already working as in the supply chain management or in the supply chain, all the systems, or you are somebody who already know about these logistics and everything, who are working deeply, then you can go and you can start yourself, you can prepare yourself, you can earn a certification, you can do these kind of things and go on to try your luck out, because the industry, there is a lot of scope and also there is a lot of vacancy, because not many people are going in or knowing this tool to the level that it should be known. A lot of experienced candidates are required who are missing from this SAP PP tool. So definitely this is the correct time to jump in. Now, if you are somebody who has been working on a separate tool, a separate SAP tool, then which are the other SAP tools which are correlated or linked with SAP PP, and if you want to join, or if you want to get promoted, or you want to go into this module, then which are the other SAP modules that can enhance, and if you show that I was working previously on this SAP module, then it can actually give a boost to your profile. What are some of the SAP modules? Then of course SAP SD is one module, that is sales and distribution, very closely related to production and how much goods are there and etc, etc. Another module is SAP MM, so material management is again very closely related to SAP PP. Not to forget that SAP CO, that is SAP controlling module, that is also very closely related to the SAP PP. And there are several others such as SAP QM, that is quality management, SAP PM, that is plant maintenance, SAP WM, that is warehouse management. All of you guys, if you have an experience working on these particular modules and you want to shift into SAP PP, then you can definitely make a shift, because all of these things are correlated. And if you want to grow in your career, you can definitely get to know more. You can learn this tool or more about this module. You can try getting a certification, and then you can go on to become a person who works in the SAP PP module. Okay, so now the next question is, can freshers get a job role in SAP PP? Then here also, like all other tools that I have just stated, this becomes a bit challenging, because here people are expecting you to be somebody who already knows the system on the ground level. So if you are a fresher, then getting into SAP PP directly might be a challenging task. However, it is not unseen, it's not unheard. You can definitely get a job role, provided you might have an internship somewhere, maybe somewhere you have worked on this module, or you have been in touch with this module, or maybe you have earned a certification with good marks and everything. So that can help you if you show that in your interviews. Those of course, entry-level jobs are limited, however they are there and you can try your luck out. But if you are somebody who wants to join and you are not getting a job anywhere, then I would suggest that you rather search not for SAP PP directly, but going through the ground level, maybe getting into the supply chain. Somehow you get into that thing, or maybe going into operations or going into the industrial sector. Somehow you get into that sector and then you upskill yourself and then you come on to work in the SAP PP module. So now, last but not the least, what is the salary structure and how much can you expect if you are working in the SAP PP module within India, of course. So if you are an entry-level candidate, which is very rare, but as I have already said, they're still there. So if you are somebody who is an entry-level candidate, then it is just the basic amount that you get for all tools, all software, that is between 3 lakh to 5 lakh or 6 lakh maybe. So that is the range in which you can expect if you are somebody who is with 0 to 2 years of experience. For any mid-level position, that is anywhere between 2 years to 5 years, you can expect yourself to get between 6 to 12 lakh. So yeah, you can see how much you can grow in a span of just 4 to 5 years. So 6 to 12 lakh, anywhere in between, you can get if you're working as a mid-level, in the mid-level position as an SAP PP module expert. For other experienced professionals with more than 5 years of experience, you tend to become SAP PP consultants, or you become the product managers. So if you are in these kind of roles, then you can earn anywhere in between 12 to 20 LPA. Apart from project managers, there are a lot of other people like SAP PP architects. These are the people who earn the highest in the PP module as well. We all know that solution architects in any field, they are the highest earners, even greater than team leads and managers, etc. The architects are the heart and soul of the system, and here also we see a similar pattern. SAP PP architect, if you are a specialized person in the SAP PP module, if you become that, then you can earn anywhere in between 20 to 30 LPA, and this can of course increase. Now whatever figures that I have shared is dependent, or it is an average market value. Apart from this, you can also work as an SAP PP freelancer. Now this is something that I have not heard with other SAP modules, but this module I have read and I have heard from different people that there is a way in which they can find jobs as a freelancer. So you need not be associated with one organization and be an employee to them forever and ever. Okay, so you can with this particular tool, you have the liberty to work as a freelancer. There are many organizations who are hiring SAP freelancers, SAP PP freelancers, and let me tell you how much they earn as well. So generally their salary, it is not anything dependent in LPA or something. So generally it's on hourly basis. So however many hours the freelancer is giving per day or per week, based on that their salary is decided. However, what I have seen from figures is that an average SAP PP freelancer gets anywhere in between 1,000 to 3,000 per hour. So say for example, you're working for 4 hours a day, just 4 hours a day, you might be earning anywhere in between 4,000 to 12,000, and for however many number of days you're working, you can earn that much amount, which is not bad. And this is something that I've not heard with other modules. So this is one perk that SAP PP gives you. If you have any other doubts, or if I have missed any other points that you think is important for people to know about SAP PP before getting their hands dirty on this module, then please put them down in the comment section. It will definitely help the audience. Also, if there is any doubt, any concern, anything that you want to connect with me one-to-one, then I've pasted the link in the video, and of course in the description box below. You can come over there, book a session and get connected with me. I can help you decide between two organizations, to technology, in how you can go further in your career. If there is any other doubt that you might be having, you can put them down in the comment section. If there's any other thing, any other tool that you want me to cover in my videos, put them down as well. I'll definitely try to answer all your comments. I always try to do that. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with other people. I'll come again tomorrow with another new video. Till then, stay tuned to CareerQ. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.